guys, Nicole Boyd here from wonderfullyfashion.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add thread into work that you've already started. And you'll need 2 colors of thread today, and a tatting shuttle, and a crochet hook. So anyways, let's do it. Okay, so when you are adding thread to your work, like we're going to do today, I'm just adding a different color to this. You're going to want to do it through a ring. So if you have already started a pattern and you've run out of thread, make sure you have enough to make a ring. Say like if you're making a flower or something and you realize, oh, I don't have enough left on my shuttle, make sure that you have enough to make your last ring before you add more thread in. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to add or loop this thread through the ring, through the middle there. You're going to want to leave about 6 inches of thread right here, and then you're going to pull the thread down like this so that the thread goes into the crease at the very bottom of that ring. Okay, and then you're going to make a double knot to hold that in place. My threads are getting all tangled up. Okay. Just do a simple double knot. Pull it tight. Make sure those threads are hidden right there. Okay, and then we're just going to continue on as normal, and we're going to hide our threads. Okay, so leave these 2 out like so, and put them in front of this thread here. And you're going to do the first part of your double stitch and bring these threads through the loop like so, so that they're all right here. Hold it tight and then pull that knot tight, and then do the second part of your double stitch and go behind the loop and bring these 2 threads through. Hold it tight and then pull it tight. And I like to do 3 or 4 of these, and then we'll cut the threads and get rid of them. Okay, so when you've done 3 or 4 of those stitches, you'll see they're underneath the blue threads now. You're just going to cut away the excess thread, so, and then just continue on with your chain. Right, and there you are. You have added thread to your pattern. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Next week is going to be one of our last for the Shuttle Tatting series, and I'm going to show you how to write a tatting pattern that you've designed. So stay tuned for next week and have an awesome day. Bye. You gonna walk to the camera? You feel my fingers? Yummy.